Basil, an herb with many great benefits. Basil is a spice commonly used in dishes and blends tea, crystal oil every day. This is also one of the herbs carpentry brings many great benefits, great for health with many different medicinal uses are not everyone know. Basil's scientific name is Ocimum basilicum. Belongs to the family Lamiaceae. Origin from India. Classify: sweet basil, western basil, purple basil, or basil, small leaf basil. Characteristic is a small tree, upright trunk, many branches. Leaves are oval, serrated, green or purple. Flowers are small, white or purple, growing in clusters. Strong, characteristic aroma. The chemical composition of basil includes essential oils and flavonoids. Basil is rich in nutrients such as vitamin A, C, K, B6, potassium, magnesium, calcium, iron, manganese, antioxidants. Oriental medicine believes that basil is spicy, hot, has a gentle aroma, causes sweating, is diuretic and relieves pain. In addition, basil also has some of the following great uses. 1. Supports diabetes treatment. Basil leaves contain many antioxidants and essential oils that help produce substances such as eugenol, methyl-eugenol, and caryophyllene. These are all substances that help the beta cells of the pancreas, cells that store and release insulin, function normally. This helps increase insulin sensitivity, reduces blood sugar levels, and can effectively treat diabetes. 2. Protects the heart, increases strong heart circuit. An antioxidant compound called eugenol, which is abundant in basil, helps protect the heart by keeping blood pressure levels under control while also reducing cholesterol levels in the body. Just chew a few basil leaves on an empty stomach every day and you can protect your heart health and help prevent heart diseases. 3. Cancer prevention, rich in antioxidants. Basil contains phytochemicals, which can prevent skin, liver, and lung cancer caused by chemicals, and stop the development of breast cancer and oral cancer, caused by chewing tobacco. At the same time, basil also positively changes gene expression, killing cancer cells and preventing tumors from spreading. Compounds in this vegetable will prevent blood from flowing to tumors by attacking the blood vessels that feed them. 4. Treat fever. Basil has effective antiseptic, mold-killing, and antibacterial properties, so it can be used to treat fever. This vegetable can relieve many different types of fever, from fevers associated with common infections to malaria. According to traditional Indian medicine, to stop the fever, the patient needs to drink decoction from basil leaves. 5. Prevent stress, fight depression. Basil leaves have anti-stress properties. A study conducted in India showed that basil helps maintain normal levels of cortisol, the stress hormone in the body. They calm the nerves, regulate blood circulation and defeat free radicals, which are an important factor in stress. People who work in jobs that are likely to cause high levels of mental stress can chew about 12 basil leaves twice a day to naturally prevent stress. 6. Decompose stones in the kidneys. Basil is one of the diuretics and detoxifiers that is very good for the kidneys. They reduce the amount of uric acid in the blood, one of the main reasons for kidney stones is an excess of uric acid in the blood, helping to clean the kidneys. To treat kidney stones, you can drink juice from basil leaves with honey every day for 6 months. 7. Treat headaches. Basil can soothe headaches caused by sinusitis, allergies, colds, or migraines. This comes from the ability of this leaf to reduce pain and clear nasal passages, helping to soothe sore muscles and solve the root cause of the disease. If you have a headache, you just need to crush basil leaves, add them to boiled water, wait until the water is still warm, then use a towel dipped in water, wring it out slightly and apply it to your forehead. Additionally, you can also add a few drops of basil essential oil to warm water. Use a towel to dip in the water and apply it to your forehead. 8. Helps quit smoking. Basil as anti-stress compounds make it an ideal solution for people who want to quit smoking. Basil will calm the nerves and dispel stress, factors related to cigarette cravings. This vegetable also has a cooling effect on the throat similar to mint, so it will help control the urge to smoke if you chew it regularly. Just keep some basil leaves in your pocket and chew them when you feel the urge to smoke, and gradually, you will be able to give up smoking. The antioxidant effects of basil leaves also help overcome damage to organs inside the body that always increases with smoking. 9. Protects skin and hair health. Basil leaves have the ability to purify the body very effectively. When eaten raw, this spice will purify the blood supply to the skin, giving you shiny skin and effectively preventing the appearance of acne. Besides, basil also has the effect of soothing the itchy feeling on the scalp and preventing hair loss. Eating basil leaves, drinking juice, or applying a mask from a mixture of crushed basil leaves all have good effects on skin and hair. 10. Treat respiratory diseases. Regulating immunity, antitussive, helps suppress the cough center, limiting the number of coughs, and expectorant, helps expel phlegm from the chest, are the uses that help basil become a popular remedy. Effective remedy for diseases such as coughs, colds, or diseases related to the respiratory tract, including acute and chronic bronchitis. Another effect of basil is its antibacterial and antifungal properties, which help defeat infections related to respiratory problems. Basil can also relieve congestion because it contains compounds such as camphene, eugenol, and cineol in its essential oils. The anti-allergic and anti-inflammatory effects also support the treatment of allergic diseases in the respiratory tract. 11. Improved digestive system. Basil also has the ability to balance acids and restore proper pH levels to the body. In the long run, this will be very beneficial for the growth of good bacteria, reducing harmful bacteria that can cause diseases in the digestive system. Besides, basil is also used to reduce bloating, reduce stomach cramps, and acid reflux. In addition, basil can also kill worms and parasites in the stomach.